So, why importance understanding the self in my future career as electrician? And alam ko ang sasabihin ng iba, bakit electrician? Bachelor of Science in Agribusiness ang nakuha mong course. Yes, that's right. Bachelor of Science in Agribusiness na nakuha kong kurso ngayon. But, in the second semester, I'm going to shift in electrical engineering. And understanding the self is important, very important also. Because I've learned here about our topic, which is physical self, self-esteem, and it's part of developing self-esteem. Do not or stop comparing ourselves to other people because each one is unique. So, as an electrician, I don't need to compare myself with other people. Kung ano man ang narating nila, kung ano ang kaya nila, dahil mayroon din akong kayahan na wala sa kanila. And someday, may mararating din ako sa buhay. That's it. Thank you.